Do you have a bunch of photos that you want to put together with some music, kind of like a slideshow but better? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple photos with music to create a reel. First, we're going to go into Instagram Reels, and we're going to go into Reels. So here I am in my Reel editor. And I want to start by selecting the photos that I want to use. And the reason I want to start with the photos is because Instagram is going to automatically sync it to music for me. And it's going to create a great starting point. So if I have the photos, then I just pick the song, it goes all together, and I have a reel created. So let's go back, and I'm just going to select some photos of things that I've been working on lately. And the way you know something is a photo and not a video is if you look at it and it doesn't have any time code. So time code is this number on the bottom. Here you can see that's 1:29 seconds. That's a video that's 1:29 seconds. But the rest of these are photos. So I can select any of those. And you honestly could select videos for this as well. I'm just showing you in this how to do it with photos only. So let's select that one. I'm just picking a bunch of behind the scenes of what I've been working on lately. And say you select one, as you select it, the number comes up and it's gonna come up here at the bottom. Let's say I don't want this one, I want the one beside it instead. So just click on it again, and then I can click on the one I do want. Let's add a couple more. So this is actually going to allow me to add up to 50 photos, but all I need is 6. It's good enough for me. So then you click next. Now it's going to go to this where it's going to show you suggested audio, and it automatically syncs it to any track you want. So what I suggest is just going through them, seeing if there is a song here that you like. I like this one because it makes it really fast as it syncs it, and I think it goes well with the music. But this is just going to show you how you can sync it together. If one of the songs that you want to use is not here, you can even press search. You can select any of the songs you want. You can select saved, so any songs that you had saved that you could use, you can select that and it's going to sync it to that song for you. You can preview it and you can see how long each photo's up, and I think this is a little long. I really liked how this one had it all really fast and just went through all the shots, and then just click next. You can see it's nicely synced to the music, and you have yourself a reel with photos and videos. You can also add any text you want to this. So say I want to add some text, so you can move your text around, add the background to it, and you can see it has your video with photos made to music quickly and easily within Instagram Reels. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!